Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be making Dabeli pizza with homemade pizza dough, that too without yeast. Interesting, right? So we look at the ingredients first. For the dough we need 1 cup maida, 1/4 cup curd, that is dahi, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, and half teaspoon oil. For the dabeli stuffing, I've taken 3 boiled potatoes. You can use 2 or 3 potatoes, 1 chopped onion, half a tomato, 3 to 4 tablespoons of dabeli masala, salt and amchur powder 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, a little bit of water, 1 small green chili, 1 tablespoon of oil. And for the pizza, I've taken pizza sauce and some cheese. So we'll make the dough first. We'll add 1 cup maida, make a well in the center like this, and add 1/4 cup curd. So basically we're substituting curd instead of yeast. 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, and we'll mix everything well. We'll add the water now. In all, I've added 3 tablespoons of water. Add the water gradually. So when you will need initially, the dough is going to be sticky, but don't worry, it will come together eventually. The dough needs to be a bit sticky and watery. Now we'll add half teaspoon oil, and we'll knead it for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll see after 10 to 15 minutes it will come together. It will not be sticky anymore. So it's been 10-15 minutes. The dough has come together. Grease the bowl with some oil. And we'll tuck the dough like this and place it in the bowl. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for 1 hour at a warm place. Till then we'll make the stuffing. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can also use butter if you want. Then add 1 chopped onion and saute the onion till it turns pinkish in color. The flame is low. Then add half chopped tomato and cook the tomatoes till they are mushy and soft. 1 small green chili. Then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of dabeli masala. You can adjust the masala as per your spice level. Add just a little bit of water. One teaspoon red chili powder. Now we'll add the potatoes and mix everything well. Salt as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder, that was dry mango powder. If you don't have amchur, you can also use some lime instead. We added some water, and now we'll give a final good mix, and our dabeli stuffing is ready. It's been 1 hour now. We'll check the dough. See, our dough is ready. You would have noticed that it didn't rise the way yeast dough rises, but don't worry. It's perfect and it'll taste amazing. We'll knead it for 1 minute. You can see that it has become so soft. We'll add some makke ka atta or maida and we'll start rolling. You can roll the way I am doing. I've greased the pizza plate with some oil. I'm going to spread the dough so that it takes the shape of the pizza plate. So I've made a thick crust pizza. If you like a thin crust pizza, you can roll the dough in a thin manner. Apply some oil on the edges. Apply some pizza sauce. And we'll add the dabeli stuffing. Add some cheese. You can use any brand's cheese that you like. Sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. Now we'll bake this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and our dabeli pizza is ready. You can see that the cheese has melted so beautifully. Taken right away. I'll cut it in 4 pieces. Serve it hot. So if you actually feel like eating dabeli and pizza at the same time, you can try out this recipe. It tastes amazing. Do try out this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.